Hi everyone, and welcome back to SoftBrokes. Today, I'll show you 8 useful websites that can make your life easier and more productive. These websites span various categories, and I'm sure you'll find at least 1 or 2 that will help you. Let's get started. Website number 1. Wolfram Alpha. Looking for precise answers? Wolfram Alpha is an online service that computes factual queries using curated data. It's perfect for solving math problems, learning general knowledge like the bands featuring Eric Clapton, or even checking nutritional info on a Big Mac. Don't forget to explore their categories for more incredible features. Website number 2. WeTransfer. Need to send a large file, but your email can't handle it? WeTransfer lets you send up to 2 gigabytes for free, no cloud integration required. Just add your file, enter the recipient's email, and hit transfer. Your file stays downloadable for 7 days, and for larger files, premium plans start at just $10 per month. Website number 3. Oyster. Planning your next trip? Oyster offers honest reviews and photos of hotels, so you'll know exactly what to expect. Use their Photo Fakeout section to see how hotels might misrepresent their properties. It's a must-visit site for travelers. Website number 4. Memrise. Learning a new language. Memrise has over 300 courses in languages like French, Japanese, and Haitian. With a free plan that includes 23 main language courses, it's a great starting point. To unlock advanced features, their Pro plan starts at just $15 per month. Website number 5. Ambient Mixer. Want ambient noise to boost your focus? Ambient Mixer offers customizable soundscapes for productivity or relaxation. Adjust sound levels, create custom mixes, and save them to your account. It's completely free and community-driven. Website number 6. PC Part Picker. Building your own computer. PC Part Picker makes it easy to create a compatible parts list. Start with a CPU, then add components while the site ensures compatibility. It also features user-created guides and forums to help you build the perfect PC. Website number 7. Ecosia. Want to make an impact while browsing the web? Ecosia is a search engine that plants trees with its ad revenue. They've planted over 189 million trees so far. Set it as your default search engine or use their browser extension to start contributing. Website number 8. CheapShark. For gamers, CheapShark is a goldmine for finding deals on PC games. Just search for a game like Starfield, compare prices across platforms, and grab the best deal. It's perfect for saving money on your favorite titles. Thanks for watching today's video on SoftBrokes. If you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Let me know your favorite websites in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. See you next time.